think about this for a minute. Why are all the controls on your gas grill front and center on the control panel except for one? Possibly the most important one. The one that controls your fuel at its source. The one that can all but eliminate the possibility of propane loss. The one that, if used regularly, can help make your grilling experience safer. Why in this day and age do we still crouch down and shuffle up to our grills like monkeys, then run a gauntlet of grill parts and spider webs and scorched forearms just to turn the propane on and off at the source as recommended? Well, Shruggy, now you don't.
Hi, I'm Adam.
And I'm Corey. We're the creators of Knob Where You Need It. And this is the Knob Where You Need It.
Yeah, we developed Knob Where You Need It to make your grilling more safe, comfortable, and convenient.
Yeah, and plus it just seems silly that there's a control for your grill that's not actually on the control panel.
Indeed, boys. Now Where You Need It solves this 60-year-old problem. It's a simple, effective adapter that can be quickly and easily installed on a propane grill with absolutely no modifications to your grill's current propane delivery system, effectively allowing you to relocate control of your valve to a more convenient, accessible, and memorable location on your grill. So now you can walk up to your grill, upright like a Homo sapien, turn on your propane, and get cooking. Yeah.